Hello friends, you are again with Ruchi Jain. Welcome to my channel Learn German the Easy Way. In this new video, you are going to learn how to use connector Weil in German. So, are you ready to do that? I hope you have learned a lot of new things through my channel. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do consider to subscribe it. And don't forget to share it with your friends who also want to learn German. So are you ready? Let's go ahead. Before going to the use of the word while, let's understand what does that mean and how it is used. Because as a connector, as we know in English language, in German it is Konnektor Weil. Let's see in the simple words. In the simplest form, we can describe the use of while as because in English, just as we use word because or connector because in English, just like that we have to use the word while. It is actually a subordinating conjunction, which is called Subjunktion in German language. It leads to a reasoning sentence to the main sentence. We can see in English as well there will be two sentences when we use because. The first one is main clause. We call it main clause and the reason is given in the second sentence which is called subordinate clause or dependent clause. But in German we call it Nebensatz. Nebensatz. So this Nebensatz starts with the word while. Just like in English, the subordinate or the dependent clause starts with because. So that's the simplest form to understand the use of while. Let's see some examples so that we can understand how to use it in a sentence. Let's go ahead. Okay, before going for the examples, let's see how to frame the structure, how to frame the sentence using word while. Here, you can see on the screen, I have written Hauptsatz plus, Komma plus, Weil plus Nebensatz. Das Verb am Ende, which means Hauptsatz, the main sentence or the main clause, plus, comma, plus the connector or while, which in English is because, plus Nebensatz, which is subordinate clause. And in German, the verb comes at the end of the sentence in Nebensatz when we use while. So let's understand it using some examples. Let's see some of the examples. In German we call it Beispiele. The first example here is I drink water because I am thirsty. I drink water because I am thirsty. Here because is the connector. Let's see the translation. Ich trinke Wasser, weil ich Durst habe. Ich trinke Wasser, weil ich Durst habe. Second example, I wear my coat because it's cold. The translation will be Ich ziehe mir den Mantel an, weil es kalt ist. Ich ziehe mir den Mantel an, weil es kalt ist. You can see the red colored. These are the connectors or the while, because. These are the connectors and how we are using here. You can see the verb is coming at the end in German translation, not in English. Es kalt ist. The verb is at the end. Just like that. Let's go ahead. Let's see some more. He is not coming to work today because he is sick. Let's see the translation. Kommt heute nicht zur Arbeit, weil krank ist. Kommt heute nicht zur Arbeit, weil krank ist. Let's see one more example. We are not going to the market because it is raining. We are not going to the market because it is raining. Let's see the translation. Wir gehen nicht zum Markt, weil es regnet. Wir gehen nicht zum Markt, weil es regnet. Again, you can see in the red, these are the connectors and the verb is at the end of the sentence in German translation. Let's see some more examples to understand it better. I am happy because my parents are coming today. Let's see the translation. Ich freue mich, weil meine Eltern heute kommen. Ich freue mich, weil meine Eltern heute kommen. Let's see one more example. He is angry because his friend has not come. He is angry because his friend has not come. Ärgert sich, weil seine Freundin nicht gekommen ist. Ärgert sich, weil seine Freundin nicht gekommen ist. Again, you can see the structure of the sentence. The verb is at the end of the sentence in German translation, and after comma, the connector is there, while. In English also, after comma, you are using because. So that is how we frame the sentences using the connector while. I hope you have understood the usage of the word while in German language. Thank you very much. Danke sehr. If you liked my video, please do ring the bell. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do consider to subscribe it. And do write one sentence using while in the comment section. Thank you very much once again. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen.